Bamford Rose. This is forum chat number 3. This particular post is taken off a Facebook group again, and it's just a quick question to say, hey, my convertible roof isn't working. Yeah, unfortunately, from time to time they can tend to do that, and typically it's not going to go up when it's the most sunniest day, and it's not going to go back down again when it's raining. That's how they work. Going through the range of problems, very simply, could be a micro switch on the latch releases. That's going to need a laptop to check that out. It could be convertible roof module. You're going to know that because your dashboard is flashing error lights, and that's the telltale sign of a convertible roof module. It could be clicking undone the latches, but it's not pulling the roof backwards. That's going to be the latch pull pumps. It could be the main hydraulic motor. So from the 3 different types of pumps, micro switches, roof module, these are about the reasons why the roof don't work. Unfortunately, it's going to take a laptop in most cases to diagnose that, because when you put the laptop on and you've got the diagnostic screen for the roof, whichever operation is failing is just going to flash up red on the laptop. So all you can really do at home is wind down the roof, get it back into place, and then get yourself to a workshop.